Good afternoon, welcome to Live Paint with RAEART. That's me, Dan James Ray. As you can see, I'm painting a fucking cat. So I'm going to slap it down and see where it goes. So let's do it. I'm gonna go ahead and add some red. Slapping down some blue. Voila, the cat. We shot boom. Look cat. Thanks for tuning in to RAEART Live Painting. I'll see you again next time. Voila! www.raeart.ca. Go check out some paintings. Some cool stuff on there. Next up, the bird. Hope you enjoyed my painting with RAEART. I'll see you again on the RAEART channel very soon. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and favorite. And I'll see you again next time. Hit that like button.